Hey guys, let's talk about feelings. Yeah. We all have lots of feelings. Sometimes we're happy. Say happy. Good job. Sometimes we're sad. Say sad. Yeah, sad. Sometimes we're surprised. Say surprised. Surprised. Sometimes we're impatient. Show me impatient. Sometimes we're anxious. Show me anxious. Mm. And sometimes we're shy. Show me shy. Yeah. We all have lots and lots of feelings. Have you ever felt any of these feelings before? Or any other feelings? Pause this video and talk about your feelings with whoever you're with. When you're done, play it again so you can do the next part. I'll be here happily waiting. Wow, that was a really good story. I love your stories. Good job. Okay, now you can ask your parent if you can get a magazine, a brochure, an advertisement, pictures from online, so that you can maybe cut them out and glue them on a piece of paper, and you can make a peoples and feelings collage. Yay! And then share them with us because we would love to see your people and feelings collage, okay? All right, see you next time. Bye. Cool beans. Cool beans. Cool beans. Good job.